Welcome back to Learning Plan 5. In this learning plan, the learner will be discussing and positioning options, explaining how to sell a product with a price strategy, and how to sell a product with added value strategy. The learner will look to understand the importance and alignment between the selling process and the customer's buying process, identifying the various influences that shape customer buying decisions, and discuss the meaning of a customer strategy. Learners will discuss the methods of negotiating buyer concerns and describe the principles of formal negotiations as a win-win strategy. You'll be working with some of the things you'll be doing in Learning Plan 5 include, you're going to be reading Chapter 7, which is the evolution of selling that model and complement the marketing concept. And that is in your Selling Today textbook, and it also has a PowerPoint that accompanies that. You're going to be looking at Chapter 8, the buying process and buying behavior. And you're also going to look at that PowerPoint. And then you're going to look at Chapter 13, which is negotiating buyer concerns. And that's going to be on pages 277 to 297 in your textbook. Then I'd like you to again go and look at the appendix at the Park Inn, the specifics, pages 415 to 480 in your textbook. And then there are a bunch of videos, 4 videos. They're not very long that I'd like you to view. One is negotiations, solving tough problems through adapting negotiations for a win-win solutions video. Another one's a sales tip advice video, buyer concerns video, and then learning more about negotiation. All right, and then for assessment activities, there'll be some questions that I'd like you to answer from each of those chapters, Chapter 7, 8, and 13, and you'll see the specific questions that I'm looking for below. And then I want you to complete in your sales plan, which is this here. I'd like you to work on number 8 in there, in that section. And then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go ahead and complete role play number 2. Now, remember there are only 3 role plays that you'll have to do. Your third one you're going to actually have to do on YouTube and upload it, and then you're going to be posting on the discussion board, and that'll be your final project. So really take this into consideration and do a good job with this. For the role play 2, you're going to be working with your buyer, and you are going to need your business cards for that, and you're going to be focusing on steps 7, 8, and 9. If you look in here of Part B, so 7, 8, and 9. So if I look at here, 7 is costs. You're going to be looking at the actual cost of the dinners, and the negotiation and reaction under preparation, under pressure, and then step 9 is actually starting with looking at the close. Okay, so that's what I would like you to do for Learning Plan 5. Learning Plan 5 will be due on Thursday, June 19th at midnight.